Kushu and welcome back to my channel. Today, however, we're going to discuss some fashion issues. So I've always preached that fashion is supposed to give you some confidence. So the way you dress is supposed to amp up how you feel and it should make you a better person. Okay, that's a little too much. You know, it is close to making you a better person. There are definitely things that you should do and you should not do that influence the level of your confidence. The number one thing may have mentioned it a lot of times and I cannot stress enough. Don't ever leave the house with an outfit or a piece of cloth that you don't really love. If you are unsure of something, do not wear it. What you're wearing, it should be real true sense of yourself. If it doesn't feel like it is not enhancing you in any way, just don't wear it. Life is too short to order food from the menu you don't like. Life is too short to date people who suck. Life is too short to wear clothes that you don't feel good at. Number 2. Now this is a big one. Wearing stuff that is not your size. Personal guilty of that because I am very small like this. So for me, it's very difficult to get the clothes that I fit into. I think it's very important to learn and master the art of tailoring. It's for sure. I happened to shop the other day for some ethnic wear and guess what? I didn't find any single piece of clothes that fits me in the matter of height, obviously. Whatever I pick in the store was supposed to be below the knees or mid-calf part and it turns out to be like a maxi dress on me. And worst cases, some of them are like they covered me in all ways. That looks weird. Same with the jeans. Honestly, a pair of jeans can change your life. Trust me, can change your life. Get a pair of jeans which fits you very well and also ends right at the ankle or get it tailored. You know, clothes are not supposed to fit every single person. Clothes like this are tailored to the particular models or I should say fit models. It's very important to know your size and get a tailor and get them done. Number 3. Now this is my personal favorite because I'm very guilty of this. Yeah. I used to always buy super statement pieces like bunch of rhinestones, beadings and the crazy colors going on here and there. I always buy these unique pieces that stand out and when I open my closet, most of the days I want to wear something very simple and that is missing. Restock of those amazing high quality basics in your closet instead of buying some crazy shit. When you open your closet and you feel like you have nothing to wear just because there are not a lot of occasions where you can wear this crazy beaded top too. Now, this is not to say that you shouldn't experiment a lot with your style and wear whatever you want. It's just that you have to stock up with your basic stuff. Where in the normal days, like you're just like, hey, a basic graphic t-shirt, some pair of shorts and just flip-flops or sneakers and I'm good to go. This actually is very easy to put the outfits together and feel like you're all put together overall. Number 4. Next thing is buying things that are not your style. Now if you're not figured out your style yet, do let me know in the comments so that I can do a video on it. All these things are really helpful in finding out what is your personality and if that fits your lifestyle, like you are a glam girl and you like to go a lot outside, or are you more of a simple, cool pajama girl, which is me by the way. So whenever a pajama girl tries to put on a bandage dress and put on a whole lot of her makeup, she is not going to feel confidence because that's not the way she is. And lastly, the 5th fashion mistake that ruins your confidence is not highlighting your assets. If you have something that you love about your body, highlight it. Whether it's the skin, like you have a glowing skin, if you want to show off your shoulders, put on a off-shoulder top and show off your shoulders. You can show off your abs or your legs, or you really like your face, which everyone should like their face. Make sure you tell yourself every single day in the mirror that you're beautiful just the way you are. Picking up that one item you love and highlighting it instead of highlighting everything makes a huge difference. If you want to wear a crop top and show off your abs, power to your girlfriend, go do it. I don't feel like anybody should be ashamed of their clothing choices. because anybody can wear what the heck they want whenever they want. Life is also too short to judge people by the clothing. Don't ever do that. So picking that one asset you are really proud of and highlighting it also make you feel confident and beautiful. You got that one or several things that you're really proud of. Because a lot of time you have bad days, like everyone has bad days, where confidence is just not happening. Whatever you wear, you just feel like it's not your day and the confidence is just not there. At this moment, highlighting your assets actually can build up your confidence. You're welcome. So this is my video on 5 fashion mistakes that ruins your confidence for today. I hope this was helpful to you. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Also join my Sassy Girls fam on Insta, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat and of course YouTube by clicking that subscribe button down below. If you did so, welcome to Sassy Girls family. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!